welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how I made these earrings from a pair of bangles that I got at the hair supply store. So of course you're going to need your bangles, your ear wires of choice, and either some jump rings or split rings. So you can also use a split ring plier if you have one, or I'm just going to use my nail for purposes of this video. So you're going to go ahead and take your split ring and connect it. I'm going to use my pliers to finish putting on my split ring. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Okay, so both of our split rings are on, and this actually has a piece where you can just open this up, so I don't need to attach anything to that. What I'm going to do is, like I say, open it up just like so and attach just like so. And that is how you make a pair of hoop earrings